So I'm not sure if you can actually see, but these are kind of foggy. I decided that before I seal them up, because they're not sealed yet, as you can see, I decided that I'm gonna clean them. I decided to get this. I asked my friends on Facebook, right? And they recommended different ones, but I shouldn't have even asked, because I just went on YouTube and typed, what I could use, and this came up, and I like this brand a lot. Like, I have so many products from them that I say, you know what, let me try it out. Bought this, and it comes with a whole bunch of attachments. Mainly just bought it just to do my headlight, and not just this ones, but also my other cars. So I paid $20 for this. This was like $21, I think. 21, 25, one of those. And I'm gonna polish this. So hopefully it comes out right. Put a few drops. Okay, well, I guess not. Just put a little bit on it, and then just do this. I put it on number 1, so not too much power. Let me clean it with a microfiber towel. It looks pretty clean. I think it still needs a little bit more. Maybe do the inside. It looks much better than before, actually. Here's the final product. It took me like less than 5 minutes. I'll probably go back and redo it a little bit more. I missed some parts, like right here in the corner, but God dang it, bro. Look at this. It's freaking clear. This is how it used to look. This is the other side that I'm about to do. There is a big difference. Look at this. Look at this. It's foggy. It's not that clear. This is the one I used. And to tell you the truth, I believe that you can use anything that's for plastic for your headlights. You don't have to use this brand. If you don't like it, you can. There's different brands that you can use, right? But I decided to use this because it protects up to a year, because it has this right here, which is like a ceramic coating, I guess. So that helps, so it doesn't yellow for a while. Now, I guess you could maybe spray it with clear coat if you decide to, if you want to. Not sure if it's gonna stick with this on, but you could do that, I guess. I'm not gonna do that. I have this already, and if they ever turn yellow again or foggy or whatever it is, then I can just do this, and it takes like less than 5 minutes. Like, I really didn't spend that much time doing it. So to me, this was worth it. I'm about to clean this one, and just look at this. Just look at how hazy it is, how cloudy it is. It's kind of yellowish, and compared to this, and it's very simple. Again, just put a little bit of product. You don't have to put a lot. Just go like this. I have it on setting 2, but I don't go like all the way on the trigger. And that's it, guys. Like, it took like less than a minute. Maybe I have to go at it again. I'm still gotta do the edges. Might do the inside too. Holy crap. Still needs a little bit more. I could still see a little bit of spots like right there, I guess. Or maybe it's dirty, I don't know. Might have to do the inside. But God dang it, bro. Like, less than a minute. I went with this because of the reviews that I saw. Let me tell you, that's the smell of this. Oh my God, it smells so good right now. Here's the difference now. As you can see, it's clear as heck. Oh my God, no more yellowing, no more cloudy or whatever you want to call it, no more foggy, yellowish. It's pretty clear. As you can see, oh my God, there's a biggest difference. All it took really, it was like less than 5 minutes. I'll probably do it again, maybe I missed a spot. I don't think so. I think on this one I did. But yeah, less than 5 minutes, and you get this. Bro, look at that. It's clear. It gets protected, I believe, up to 1 year with this product. Definitely worth the price. Oh, right here. See? Right there. So it protects from fading and oxidation for up to a year. I believe that's what it said online. So to me, this was worth it, right? This was worth it. And then this stuff right here too was worth it. I'm gonna be doing my headlights right now. I'll probably go outside and do it right now. I will be mounting this really soon. I'm gonna put the, I forgot the what that thing is called, the sealant. It has a specific name. But I have two rows of it because I did other headlights before for projectors. So I'm gonna be using the same thing right here. Closer to finishing this, I just have to order the HID kit, which I still do not know if I want to spend $300 on Morimoto D2S HID kit, or I'm just gonna buy something cheaper like DDM tuning D2S HID kit, which is about 109, I believe. Big difference, but then again, I don't know if it's gonna be a big difference on the light. I have DDM tuning on my 240 quads, right? And it looks amazing to me. But I want to know if I spend $300 on a HID kit, if it's gonna look even better. Like, is there gonna be a difference, or like, why is it $300? God dang it, that's a lot of money. So we'll see.